Hi guys, actually I didn't want to make that video. Well, I didn't know that I would make that video, but I wanted to show you something which I just realized, because I thought I screwed my speakers up. So let me show you something. So I will put the sound up. And you hear how shitty the sound quality is? Well, it really sucks. So I thought like, what the hell? And then actually I discovered that when you remove this thing here, and when I try it again, I found out that my speakers actually are not screwed. And the sound quality is much better. So there's no cracking, no... You see? So I was like, what the... So I was thinking, why is that? Basically, then I was looking at this one here. So I was thinking there could be some dust or dirt inside, and I checked, and there is actually some dust or dirt inside. So I'm going to take a vacuum cleaner and clean it out now, and I will see if it sounds then better, the quality of the speaker. Be right back. So I just cleaned it now with the vacuum cleaner or a hoover, and I will put it back and see how it sounds now. Let's see. All there, closed. Alright, so let's try the game again. If it still sounds that shitty, actually it sounds a little bit better, I think. But if you want to have zero noise, like zero noise destruction, then you just remove it. If you want to watch a long video, for example, and you don't have those annoying tones. That's it. See ya.